In this guide, we are going over the bullet head fish location here in Subnautica 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. Look at how cool those fish look over off in the distance. I mean, it's a little blurry, but you know, it is what it is. But we're going to go ahead and use this life pod over here as a basis for your direction. You need to go east of the life pod directly until you reach this giant alien structure. Once you reach this giant alien structure, and I'll pause real quick so that you guys can see my, coordinates down in the bottom right. But once you do reach that structure, and oh my god, I thought I lost this guy right here. Well, I got two of these now, so that's interesting. I don't know why this one's not marked. But once you reach the alien structure, go ahead and head down east even further, and you can hop in these little sucky, tunnel things as well to fling you forward. Just make your way in them, bang, and then of course make your way towards the giant alien power plant as well. This thing is huge, and once again, it's going to be a good basis of direction for us. But you need to go once again down this giant route of the power plant, and you're going to see an angel comb down here. I actually have a little base set up down here as well. Just ignore that. You need to make your way over to the angel comb location right down here. It's pretty impossible to miss. But once you reach this angel comb, you need to follow the route that's actually attached to the angel comb and go northeast from the route itself, kind of like northeast. It's going to be a route. You're essentially just following it, and I'd actually recommend staying pretty close to the route itself. But you're going to notice as you continue this path that there's going to be this kind of, bright little section over here. If you make your way over to that section, and these things are not the most obvious to see in the entire world actually, but these guys right here are going to be your bullet heads. You can go ahead and scan them just like so, and then you can get a bunch of information about it. But that's going to be your bullet heads right here. They're definitely an interesting fish. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. Oh, sorry, man. I didn't mean to shine that light on you. I'm just kidding. Oh, look, you can actually see the inside of them as well. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.